Emanuela, how are you?
I'm fine.
What of your uncle?
He's inside. He has been sleeping since morning. Uncle Mark! Uncle Mark!
Can't somebody sleep in peace?
Uncle, come on. Someone is looking for you.
Don't that person have work to do?
Baby.
Baby, how are you? You did not even tell person that you are coming.
Mark,
Eh?
what is today?
Eh?
Mark, what is today?
Enokwa? Today is Friday.
Mark, what is today?
It's today that we used to do Mackenzie comedy now. Today is Friday.
Birthday.
Eh?
Today is my birthday. And you forgot.
How can I forget your birthday? Me, you of all people, I will not forget your birthday, my own baby. I did not forget your birthday. You self, eh? I know today is your birthday.
Where's my birthday gift?
Your birthday gift? Nemo. I buy it now. It's inside. I buy your birthday gift. Let me get it. Baby.
Yes, baby.
See, the birthday gift that I buy you, I forget it in the place that I buy it. So now, let me go and bring it in the place that I buy it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will not take long. It's just 1 minute. It's in the shop down the road here. I'm coming here.
Emanuela, how are you?
I'm fine.
I heard that Dominion has joined you people.
Yes.
When are people traveling again?
We are traveling next month. We are going to Jamaica. We are going to Netherlands. We are going to all the countries in South America.
So you people are traveling around the whole world. And look at your house, like beggars own.
So you want us to use our money to go and be fine house in Lekki? You want us to live fake Instagram life with audio money, Abi? Leave us the way we are. We like it like that.
I see. Baby!
Love of my life. Baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. My baby. Here is your birthday gift with free MTN SIM card inside.
Mark, what is this?
It's your birthday gift.
Take this thing, Joe. I have phone. And you went and bought Android phone. For me. Mark, if it is not Apple product, then forget it.
Baby, you don't want this one?
Mark, buy me Apple products. That is what everybody is using now. Yes, I need an Apple product.
But auntie, you have already bought it now. You want him to return it?
I don't care. What I want is Apple products.
Uncle Mark, calm down. Auntie, see, my uncle is going to buy Apple products, but we are going to sell this phone, and then we are going to give us your old phone. We will sell it, so I will add the money together and buy your Apple products.
Yes. Thank you. We are going to get your birthday gift. Tomorrow, we'll bring your birthday gift. Apple product for you.
Mark, if you do not get me an Apple product, this relationship is over.
No, I love you. We are going to get your birthday gift tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Emanuela, now that we have collected all this fund, what are we going to sell it to?
Don't worry, I have men.
When is the Apple phone coming now? I can't
Don't
wait.
worry.
My Apple phone is coming. I'm so happy. Wow! I told you. My Apple is here. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you.
I love you too. I love you too. Baby, I'm very sorry about that yesterday.
Nothing.
You know, we did not know that you don't like Android phone.
It's okay.
But thanks to Emanuela here. With our help, we were able to sell that your phone. And that phone that I bought yesterday, we now put the money together and now bought you Apple product.
Thank you.
Happy birthday again in area.
Is it 11?
11. Can I weigh 11?
Oh my god, baby, come on. Is it 11?
It's more than 11.
Baby, it's more than 11.
The latest Apple. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let me see it. I can't wait. I'm so happy.
Baby, me too, I'm happy for you. This one is Apple here. It's Apple product. You will like it. It used to give vitamin A for apple. You will like this one. It's very sweet.
Auntie, this one is pin apple. This apple has pin inside.
Happen inside. This one is Apple Heaven.
Yes.
It's another Apple product. You will like it. It's like they make it in heaven. It's the one Adam and Eve eat. We also bought you apple cider. Very strong, good Apple product. You will like this one. It's like apple bitters. In case you don't like all these Apple products, see. We bought you raw apples so that if you don't like the Apple products, you can use this and make your own Apple products. Who knows? From there you can start manufacturing your own Apple product and selling. I love you well, baby.
What is this?
This is the Apple product that you say you like now.
Hey! I'm finished.
Mark! Or don't you like apple product again?
Hey! My phone! Mark, where's my phone?
We sell your phone and sell that one and use the money and buy Apple product.
Hey!
You say you want apple product. We won't bought you plenty and you're still shouting. Okay, uncle. It's like the apple is not enough for her. Let's go and get more for her.
Okay, baby. Is it the apple? Okay, sorry. Let me go and buy you cucumber so that you can add it to the apple and use it to make better apple product.
Hey!
Yeah, what do you want from me?
My phone!
Today is funny. I don't care. What I know is apple. Say English. If you like, make it return it. If you like, make it. Okay. What I need is that apple phone.
You come back here.
No, you didn't listen. You didn't get it. You didn't
I thought
get
you
it.
had something and then
Hold on. Action.
Just have this. I have phone already. You would have bought apple phone for me.
Hey, Android.
Phone.
Again. Action.
Have this. I have iPhone phone. You would have bought iPhone phone.
You have phone already. You went and bought me.
Pick up. Action.
I have phone already.
The character drop. Oh yeah, Lego. Action.
Have this. I have phone already. You want to bought iPhone phone. I need apple phone.
Apple product. iPhone 11.
I need Apple product.
iPhone 11 key you there.
See, I have phone.
Calm yourself down.
I have phone already.
Mark, I need
Apple product.
Okay, let's go.
Again.
Hallelujah. Let's go.
Mark, if it is not Apple products, I don't need any other phone.
Any gift, no phone.
Let's go.
Mark,
Let's go. And action.
Mark, if it is not Apple products, I don't need any phone.
I don't need any other gift. I don't need any gift. If it is not Apple product, I don't need any gift.
What kind of thing is this?
I don't need any other gift. Okay, there's some fly.
Baby.
Is that part of the line?
Did you injure?
Hey!
Mark. You have Azu. Did you finish that spirit in the house?
The spirit. But this apple,
We have
you
to
pour
pour it.
spirit on it.
Yes.
Apple seed
Why?
go do am.
Apple seed that go down.
It will pain me.
Yes, now.
Are you okay? Did you see?
Leave it, I will manage it.
You say you pay me. It's not supposed to pay you.
See, problem.
Mark, let us disinfect this thing now.
Let's take it to the hospital now. Let's go to hospital.
Okay, can we go to hospital?
Mark, see, for just small, just endure.
It will pay me.
Yes,
we
it
know,
will pay you. Normally they pay people. Not only they pay.
No. No, don't get alcohol. Okay, let us use this one.
What's alcohol? Really, you
Let's use this one.
This one acid though.
Make it acid me.
Did you clean this lens? Did I say no? You clean.
And the camera they flat.
They get away. Save this.
You're going to put it. You're going to put it in blooper. Come. Let's see it. Let it come and show it to the camera.
Are you recording?
Yes, yeah, we'll make all this.
This is another.
You want to make out today.
Thank you for watching that funny Mackenzie comedy. See you next Friday.